Hey everyone, today I wanted to try something different. So I went to the Bravo community and looked through some feature requests to see if I could build something that isn't directly possible in Bravo right now, just to see how far we can push it. I found this one that caught my attention. An interactive map with user avatars you can tap, link to cards, and a pullable model list below. So I thought, let's build it step by step using AI tools and web components in Bravo. So first, I started in Figma using Figma Make to generate the base design. I simply gave it a prompt. I said, recreate this screen, with a dark map background, round user markers, a top filter bar, and a bottom card, and any other details that you see fit. Then the idea was to get something fast and editable in a couple minutes, just enough to turn it into code. Then I moved into Cursor, my favorite AI code editor. I asked it to convert that Figma layout into one single self-contained HTML component, using plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript so it could easily work inside Bravo as a web component. From there, I iterated with a few simple prompts. First, to make the avatars clickable and sync with the cards below, then to add a small model that could slide up with a list of users, and finally, just to make everything smooth and mobile-friendly, a proper demo-ready prototype. Once it looks good, I just upload the HTML file as a web component into Bravo. Here's where you can optionally later connect it to Xano or your backend. This will depend on your setup, so you can pull real data. For now, this is just a demo data and web component. Here, you can also find all the documentation and logic that you need in order to make this component fully dynamic inside a real Bravo app. Things like passing the auth token from Bravo so the component can fetch real data from Xano or your backend. Adding custom logic, so for example, clicking a user card could navigate to another screen inside the app. This is where Bravo really shines, so you can start no code, and when you're ready, extend it with custom web components and deeper integrations like this. In just some minutes, I was able to create this custom web component for a fully interactive map where you can tap any marker, see the profile card update instantly, and even pull up the model to browse the full list. It's fast, responsive, and fully embeddable inside a Bravo project. So that's it. From a feature request to a working prototype, all built with AI tools and web components in Bravo. Figma Make for design, Cursor for code, Bravo for the app layer, and Xano for data. If you enjoyed this, let me know which other feature requests you'd like me to try next. Maybe we'll turn one of them into real Bravo feature someday.